First, let us talk about why our strategy works and will continue to work forever. It is possible because of a universal law. The law states that, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. It is Newton's third law of motion. We only found a way to make it work for us very profitably in the financial markets. Secondly, let us talk about how this strategy helps you make 70 to 90% profit. It is possible because we currently focus our use of this strategy on binary trading. When trading binary options, you only need to determine whether a market price will rise or fall for a specific time you also chose. It is easy. For example, you can choose Euro versus the United States dollar pair, next select a time like 5 minutes, then click on either the buy or sell option. After 5 minutes, if what you choose is correct, you make 70 to 99% profit. That's all you do. I repeat, it is easy. Our strategy teaches you how to select the buy or sell option so you can make money every time. There are many ways to take advantage of the financial markets, from more recent crypto, forex trading, commodities, and even stocks. However, the binary trading option allows you to trade these financial sectors with a slight difference. It gives you a high return on your investment, but you determine the expiry time of the trade you make. The return on your investment, stake, is usually about 70 to 90%. It is how we make such high returns. Now just some extra information, when we say you choose the expiry time, it means you have put a time when your trade ends. These could be from as low as 1 second to as long as 1 year. In other financial markets, the expiry time is determined by several other circumstances like take profit price, margin call, stop loss price or default contract expiry time. Please don't worry about all those financial jargon. Binary trading is the easiest way to trade any financial market. Thirdly, let us go into the fact that you can trade for just 1 to 2 hours daily and be profitable. It is possible since you determine when your trades end. The idea is to take trades, market opportunities, that will end in small periods of time. Examples are trades lasting just 1 to 5 minutes. This way, within just 1 to 2 hours of trading, you have already made some good money. Our strategy breaks this down in detail. Introduction to the 5-to-1 binary strategy. How it works. The simple explanation of the strategy is that you get your signal from a 5-minute chart, then take the trade for just 1 minute. We look for turning points on a 5-minute chart. Whenever market prices return to these turning points, we enter a trade for 1 minute. You may already know these turning points as support and resistance. Resistance or support levels or zones, whatever name you chose to call them, are the same as turning points. A resistance, level or zone, is a turning point above the current market price, while a support, level or zone, is a turning point below the current market price. A simple way to understand the concept is by comparing it to real-life events. I like to compare resistance and support to the ceiling and the floor in my home. In this case, the resistance level represents the ceiling, while the support level represents the floor. The unique idea is this: if I throw my blue plastic cup toward my ceiling, it will bounce back to me. The same thing would happen if I threw it against my floor. The preceding explanation is Newton's third law of motion happening in a real life. The reaction of market prices to resistance or support levels in the opposite direction is our unique opportunity. At this point, let us take you into a live trading session in which the 5-to-1 strategy was used to make several trades.
It's gone down. Right now, we may have another opportunity right now, just shortly right now, because if you notice on Euro USD, we're having another turning point. It's about to end. If this one ends as a sell and the next minute opens and hits that resistance, then we can take a sell there. So let's just wait. Let's see if it will go up and hit the recent turning point that has just been formed. Funny enough, pound USD already did it, has already done that. So that means for pound USD, we can enter into a sell in the next 1 minute for pound USD.
So we should change to pound USD.
The next 1 minute pound USD, you can sell. If this one ends as a buy, then in the next 1 minute for pound USD,
it's already counting down to 55 seconds now.
Sell now.
How is this thing working very well for you like this?
It's constant practice now. He has practiced it for over and over now. He's now a master.
Sincerely, when he says now, I just did it, the thing just started going down. And if I were to be the one, the thing may struggle to go up first, even before coming down.
Now, the same opportunity, we can have it after this one, Euro USD. For Euro USD, the next one, we may be able to sell on Euro USD. So the next 1 minute for Euro USD, we can sell there. Okay.
This one, Euro USD.
That means you should have entered the sell already. Is
On
this
Euro USD?
Yes. If you can still enter, it's just 15. I don't know whether it's the price.
The price has gone down a bit. If it pulls up a bit, then
Okay. So you missed
I
that.
can't enter again.
Okay,
I can't enter again. It has gone down.
Yeah.
We need more explanations on these things. You are really getting it well. So this is 5 minutes, right?
Yes, this is 5 minutes.
Yeah, but can I ask a question? This your lines, are they drawn on 5 minutes or on 1 hour? This resistance and support lines. Hello?
Okay, so we won that. So we have won 2 opportunities this morning. I wish we caught those things.
I caught one.
You caught one, eh? Okay. That's good. That's good.
Madam.
In the preceding live trading session, I called 2 trade opportunities, and both were successful. I am sure you heard one of the participants express surprise at the instant successful results. He probably had never seen someone call an opportunity in real time with such accuracy. In binary trading, as soon as you make a successful trade, you earn 70 to 90% profit on your investment. It's the reason such real-time trade calls are such a big deal. I will use images from the live trading session to explain the strategy. This was how the chart looked just before I called the first trade opportunity. I want you to focus on this area. We are looking at a 5 minutes chart. If you look at the recent candlesticks, you would observe that we have a buy or bullish candlestick, followed by a bearish one, then another bullish one, the most recent. This is a resistance turning point. You can see we have a buy candlestick followed by sell candlestick. The top of them is the turning point. Let me show you more turning points so you can always recognize them. Observe that in the current candlestick, market prices just rose up to hit a turning point level or zone. Therefore, we can expect a quick reaction to it in the opposite direction on a smaller time frame. In this case, market prices rose and hit a 5-minute resistance zone, and just shortly afterwards, I called a 1-minute sell trade. It's why you may have observed us looking at the 1-minute time frame during and after the trade was taken. The reverse would have been the case if market prices went down to hit a support level / turning point. In such a case, I would call for a buy trade for 1 minute. It is important to note that the 1-minute candlestick that reached the zone must also end in the same direction of the turning point, or else we don't take the trade. The exact times of the day to use this strategy is between 10 minutes after 10 a.m. to 11:50 a.m. GMT +1. When the opportunity presents itself, we also trade the binary option strategy between 10 past 3 p.m. to 4:50 p.m. GMT +1. It's important to mention that before using the 5-to-1 binary trading strategy at these times, you must have already determined the main direction of the market for that day. We have a free teaching on how to do that. Once you have that information, you only take trades in the direction of the main trend for the day. It is also worth mentioning not to trade during major news events. Our 5-to-1 binary trading strategy has an accuracy of 80 to 99%. You can confirm easily by checking our Telegram group feed at SignalNet 2. You would find several live trade calls we made and the times we called them. You may also manually confirm our trading strategy on your charts. Please follow channel and turn on notifications if this video gave you value. Thanks for watching. I will speak to you again shortly.